In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to record vertical video in OBS Studio the right way. If you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or any other vertical platform, this is the fastest and cleanest way to set up a 9:16 recording inside OBS. The best part is you don't need any plugins or complicated setups. Everything can be done directly inside OBS in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so your video doesn't come out stretched or cropped incorrectly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical OBS guides. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is change the resolution of our canvas to vertical. Open OBS Studio and look at the bottom right corner. Click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Video tab on the left side. Here you'll see two important fields: Base Canvas Resolution and Output Scaled Resolution. By default, these are usually set to something like 1920 by 1080, which is standard horizontal video. We're going to change both of these manually. In the Base Canvas Resolution box, type 1080 by 1920. Then do the exact same thing in the Output Scaled Resolution box, 1080 by 1920. This flips your canvas into a vertical 9:16 format. Make sure both values match so your recording stays sharp and doesn't get resized automatically. Once you've entered those numbers, click OK. You'll immediately notice that your preview window is now tall instead of wide. That means OBS is now set up for vertical recording. Next, we need to make sure your camera, gameplay, or screen source actually fits inside this new vertical frame. In the preview window, find your source in the Sources panel. This could be your video capture device for your webcam, a game capture source, or display capture. Right-click on that source. In the menu that appears, hover over Transform, then click on Fit to Screen. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This will automatically resize your source to match the height of the vertical canvas. Depending on your source, you may see empty space at the top and bottom.